What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the vlogs. Hi, brother.
Hi.
Okay, so this is my brother Torin, and I'm in Orlando right now, and I came down here for like a few days, so we are going on an adventure. We just got coffee. I got a grande ice white mocha with almond milk and salted cream cold foam on top. So let's see.
Thank you.
Yes.
And then we're just waiting on the breakfast sandwiches.
Thank you. Ooh, taste it. Oh, I like that. It's like salty and then sweet from the coffee. I like this. Oh, yay. Found a new drink, guys. So, we are going on an adventure day, and then later we're going to go out with the rest of my cousins. But, stay tuned to see where we go, guys. We've made it into, well, right now we're at City Walk. Let's have a good day. It's not crowded. It's not a lot of people here. I thought it would be kind of crowded as a holiday, but it's not. I guess that's good. The lines wouldn't be that long. Welcome to Universal Orlando, Florida. We made it in. Okay, what's first, mister?
I don't know. You want to ride the mummy? Rip ride, rocket?
The rocket, yes. We could do, let's do the rocket last. That one's like the biggest. Let's do the mummy, Transformers. We have to go to Harry Potter World, of course. Is there a line at Despicable Me? We could probably just make our way like this way. And then when we leave in this one, we can go like to the rocket, right?
Well, when we're going to the Harry Potter, then you want to take the train?
Oh, yes, the train. Okay, so I had to change my mask because the other one was falling off. I hope you guys can hear me because it's so loud. Guys, look who it is. It's Bumblebee! Bye, Bee. Bye. So, change of plans. The rocket was like over an hour wait, so we're gonna go to Nest to see the Transformers and do that one, and then we'll go from there. But we just had Bumblebee, guys. Ooh, I love Bumblebee. Okay.
on this attraction. Hello and welcome to...
So we just made it out of Transformers, and I must say Transformers is like one of my favorite rides. So now we're going to go to another of my favorite rides, which is the Mummy. I hope you guys can hear me, but it said like a 70-minute wait, but it wasn't long. It was not long at all. It's kind of windy, so I probably look like a mess, but yay! Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now we're going to the Mummy, which is an indoor roller coaster. So let's go have some fun. I mean, some more fun. So we are here in the other side of the Harry Potter world, and we are going to ride the new Hagrid ride and also the Harry Potter ride. It's raining right now, and my SD card is about to cut off, so we're going to ride these rides, and I'll catch you guys later on today when I get a new SD card. So see y'all later. What's up, you guys? So we are going to dinner, hanging out with the family. So we are going to Sugar Factory. It's your boy. It's your
about to go to the Sugar Factory. Get some sugar.
Sugar from where?
From these little sugar babies, yeah. Nah, okay. Don't quote me on that.
So we are going to the Sugar Factory to get some din-din and some drinks.
I kind of already had din-din.
Bond as a family. My brother's already there and my other cousin is on his way. So, let's have a good night, guys.
successful night with the cousins. We out here. OFCOURSE.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to hands.
What's up, you guys? I hope you can hear me, but I am about to leave Orlando. Just got on a plane. We were delayed like an hour and a half because of weather. So it finally opened up the ramp. So now we're gonna try and get out of here. So as you can see outside, it's not raining, but it's still kind of cloudy. So we're trying to get out before some more lightning comes. So we're going back to DC. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, you guys, it's probably kind of dark, but I have made it back to DC. I'm about to head into my apartment, but I just want to let you guys know, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!